पंढरीपुरवासिने पांडुरंगप्रकाशाय विठ्ठलाय नमो नमः। मरुत्पुत्राय कवये भीमाय भयहारिणे श्रीमदानन्दतीर्थाय प्रख्याताय नमो नमः। शिवदने वरिष्ठम् सर्वकल्याणमूर्तिम् परशुकमलहस्तम् शोभितम् मोदकेन अरुणकुसुममाला व्याललम्बोदरम् तम् मम हृदयनिवासम् श्रीगणेशम् नमामि। कृष्णव्रता कृष्णमनुस्मरन्तः रात्रौ च कृष्णम् पुनरुत्थिताय ते कृष्णदेहा प्रविशन्ति कृष्णम्। आज्यम् यथा मन्त्रहुतम् हुताशे बुद्धिर्बलम् यशोधैर्यम् निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यम् वाक्पटुत्वम् च हनूमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्। अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शङ्करप्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थम् भिक्षाम् देहि च पार्वती। हयग्रीव हयग्रीव हयग्रीवेति यो वदेत् तस्य निस्सरते वाणी जन्नुकन्या प्रवाहवत्। राकाचन्द्रसमानकान्तिवदना नाकाद्विराजस्तुता मूकानामपि कुर्वती सुरधुनी। नीकाश वाक्वैभवम् श्रीकाञ्ची नगरी विहाररसिका शोकापहन्त्री तताम् एका पुण्यपरम्परा पशुपते आकारिणे राजते। सत्यम् विधातुम् निजवृत्त्यभाषितम् व्याप्तिम् च भूतेषु अखिलेषु चात्मनः अदृश्यत अत्यद्भुतरूपमुद्वहन् तम्भे सभायाम् न मृगम् न मानुषम् नरसिंह न मृगम् न मानुषम्। Srimad Bhagavata is not a book. It's the book form of the Lord, Vangmaya Rupa. I bow down to my Guruji, Sangadipuram Anantaram Dikshitarji, who in Tirupaliyar made me speak at the age of 15. So you can imagine, the speaker in me was born in Kerala. I hope you understand. That is why I come back to Cochin to talk to you about the Lord. I bow down to Akhandanji Maharaj of Vrindavan, who inspired me to speak in Hindi. Both these great souls felt Srimad Bhagavata is the book form of the Lord, just as Naimisharanya is the forest form of the Lord. Narayana came down as a book, and that is why whenever we go to North India and we have a katha, we bring the Bhagavatam, even sometimes in a horse carriage. We bring in a long procession, because Lord Krishna himself in the Bhagavata, Srimad Bhagavata Kyoyam Pratyaksha Krishna Evahi. That is how we equate Krishna and the Bhagavata as one. Our great sages had foresight and farsight. They wanted to tell you why you should read the Bhagavatam. There are orthodox families which read the Bhagavatam, but the modern young man will say, why should I read the Bhagavatam? 6 chapters of the Padma Purana are called the Bhagavata Mahatmya. This is an appetizer, a spiritual appetizer, a beautiful trailer. It is one way of making you read the Bhagavatam. That is why when the Bhagavata Mahatmya starts, we pray to Shri Krishna. Krishnam Narayanam Vande. Krishnam Narayanam Vande. Krishnam Vande Vrajapriyam. Krishnam Dvaipayanam Vande. Krishnam Vande Prathasutam. 4 Krishnas are mentioned here. Everything in India begins with a prayer. We Hindus don't believe anything is secular. Everything is spiritual. Our Ayurveda is spiritual, our astronomy is spiritual, our astrology is spiritual, our art is spiritual, music, dance, sculpture, painting, everything is spiritual. Please give a big hand to the spirituality in India. Nothing is secular. Nothing is secular. That is why yat karoshi yadashnasi yat juhoshi dadasiyat yat tapasyasi kaunteya tat kurushva madarpanam. Whatever you are doing, Arjuna, please offer it to me, says the Lord. That is the command of the Lord in the Bhagavad Gita. No wonder the Bhagavata Mahatmya starts with a prayer to that Lord Krishna, Guru Ayyappa, who is standing here. Krishnam Narayanam Vande. He is Narayana. Krishnam Vande Vrajapriyam. Very strange. Past 3-4 months, I've been in Vrindavan, I've been in Tirupati, and now I went to Guruvayur this morning. All the 3 Krishna Kshetras had called me in 3 months. Braja Priyam. What is Braja? What is Vrindavan? Vrindavan is a place where you feel Krishna in every particle of the dust, in every flower, in every fruit, in every leaf you see Krishna and Radha. Somebody asked me to define Vrindavan, and I said, Patte patte mein Radha, patte patte mein Radha, aur phool phool mein Shyam. Patte patte mein Radha, aur phool phool mein Shyam. वही है ब्रज की भूमि, वही है गोकुल धाम. वही है ब्रज की भूमि, वही है गोकुल धाम. पत्ते पत्ते में राधा और फूल फूल में श्याम. पत्ते पत्ते में राधा और फूल फूल में श्याम. वही है ब्रज की भूमि, वही है गोकुल धाम. वही है ब्रज की भूमि, वही है गोकुल धाम. पत्ते पत्ते में राधा. Krishnam Vande Braja Priyam. Anybody who goes to Vrindavan gets his bhakti rejuvenated. Bhakti herself is going to say that in the Bhagavata Mahatmya. Krishnam Dvaipayanam Vande. Krishna Dvaipayana Muni, who gave us the Bhagavata, we bow down to him. Krishnam Vande Prithasutam. Why you and I? Bhishma was jealous. Kripa was jealous. Drona was jealous when they saw Guru Ayyappa becoming a driver, a chauffeur for Arjuna. Everybody is jealous of Arjuna because when Arjuna's Ratha comes, I say, it is not Arjuna's Ratha, it is Krishna's Ratha. Kanha karat aaya. Kanha karat aaya. Dekho dekho Kanha karat aaya. Dekho dekho Kanha karat aaya. Mere Kanha karat aaya. Arjun bana hai Malik, ठाकुर बना है सेवक. अर्जुन बना है मालिक, ठाकुर बना है सेवक. कैसा खेला दिखलाया, अरे कैसा खेला दिखलाया. मेरे कान्हा का रथ आया. कृष्णम वंदे प्रथासुतम. Throughout the Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna is dear to the Lord. Pandavanam Dhananjayaha. We bow down to these 4 Krishnas and then bow down to the Lord. Children ask, why should you worship Guru Ayyappa? What can Guru Ayyappa do? What is the power of Krishna? The first shloka of the Bhagavata Mahatmya defines divinity. Satchitananda Rupaya Vishwotpatyadi Hetave Tapatraya Vinashaya Shri Krishnaya Vayam Numaha. Shri Krishnaya Vayam Numaha. Satchitananda Rupaya. Nobody is happy today. Everybody has problems. Anityam asukham lokam imam prapya bhajasvamam, said the Lord in the Gita. I created a world, Arjuna, but I had along with it anityatva tag. It is an impermanent world. It's full of sorrow, full of sorrow. Call anybody on the mobile, he will tell you his problem. But when you go to Guru Ayyappa, when you go to Narayana, when you go to Bhagya Vihari in Vrindavan, when you see Venkateshwara in Tirupati, you just lose yourself and say, Satchitananda Rupaya, Sat Chit and Ananda. That is what the Lord is. Vishwotpatyadi Hetave. He is the one who creates the world. He is the one who sustains the world. He is the one who destroys the world. Tapatraya Vinashaya Shri Krishnaya Vayam Numaha. We bow down to that Lord who has removed the tapatraya of man. The greatest tapa for man is from the manas. Depression is a widespread disease today. I wonder why people are depressed when they have Guru Ayyappa within. No wonder Narayaniam starts with, it is the pure good fortune of people. Hanta bhagyam jananam. Why? Because he is there. Sakshat. He is the one who stands in Guru Pavana Pura. He is the one who removes all our tapa. The first tapa is from the mind. The second tapa is from people around us and creatures. The third is from natural calamities. All the three tapas are removed only by the Lord. The manas is a very powerful element of the human personality. No MRI report can tell you where the manas is. Mind, we don't know. We can tell you where the brain is. We can tell you where the heart is. We can tell you where the liver is. But nobody can tell you where the mind is, because the mind is so small but very powerful. Please remember, it was the manas that brought you to the satram here. Clap for the manas, please. Clap for the manas. The manas could have said, get up and go away. Many people are going away because the manas says go away. The manas says sit down, then you sit down. You obey your manas. It is the mind that makes you proud. It is the mind that makes you humble. It is the mind that makes you take revenge. It is the mind that makes you forgive. It is the mind that makes you selfless. It is the mind that makes you selfish. It is the mind that deletes the Lord. It is the mind that installs the Lord. The mind is a very powerful element in human life. The mind is very important. This mind has several tapas. It creates so much of problems for us. When the mind is set right, then you are happy. Tapatraya vinashaya Shri Krishnaya vayam numaha. Who is the speaker of the Bhagavatam? Yam pravrajantam anupetam apeta katyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putriti putriti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarva bhutarudayam munimanatosmi. We bow down to that Shukadeva, who is the speaker of the Bhagavatam. Please remember that the Hindu has several samskaras during his lifetime, and this samskara includes Upanayana. Before you read the Shastra, you must have your holy thread. The holy thread, sacred thread ceremony has to take place. But our little child, Shukadeva, had no sacred thread ceremony done. Akhandanji Maharaj says, jiske man mein vikar nahi, usko sanskar ki kya zarurat hai. When a person doesn't have manovikara, why does he need a samskara? Yam pravrajantam anupetam apeta krityam. The father calls out to the son, come my son, come, please come back. Shukadeva, come back. But Vyasa, find the trees are answering instead. Putreti tanmayataya taravo bhineduhu tam sarvabhutarudayam munimanatosmi. When does the great Bhagavad Karta, the Bhagavatkara called Shukadeva come? He is sarvabhutarudaya. Whenever there's a problem, he arrives. When Parikshit had a problem, he arrived there. One day, in the Naimisharanya, Shaunaka Rishis are asking Suta Mahamuni, please tell us how to get Krishna. Everything is instant today. Food is instant today. Clothes are instant today. Everything is instant. We want instant Krishna Prapti. How to get Guru Vairappa in 1 minute. How to get him. That is why you have arranged the Bhagavata Satra. Krishna Praptikaram Shashvat Sadhanam Tadvadadhuna. Please tell us, how should you work and what is the effort you should put in to get Krishna? There's only one way, and that is the Bhagavatam. That is the only way, says Suta Mahamuni. Srimad Bhagavatam Shastram Kalau Kirena Bhashitam Etasmat Aparam Kinchit Manashuddhyena Vidyate. The manas has 6 impurities: Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya. They have to be cleaned. And how are they cleansed? Outer cleaning is done by soap, but the inner cleaning is done by the Bhagavatam. Pavitranam, Pavitram yo, Mangalanam cha Mangalam. As we are listening to the Bhagavata, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Matsarya are being cleansed. Etasmat aparam kinchit manashuddhyena vidyate. Janmantare bhavet punyam tada bhagavatam labhet. Tada bhagavatam labhet. After several janmas of punya, you can listen to the Bhagavatam. Listening to the Bhagavata is not an accident. Listening to the Bhagavata does not happen sporadically, capriciously, impulsively. It happens because in all your past janmas you have dana, vrata, tapa, dharma. That is why dana, punya you have done, sapa, swadhyaya you have done, japa swadhyaya samyami, and shreyo vividhaischanyai krishne bhaktirhi sadhyate. After several janmas of sadhana, after several janmas of punya, you can become a Krishna Bhakta. That Krishna Bhakti brings you to the Bhagavatam. Clap for yourself now. Don't say you're unfortunate. I feel very sad when people say, oh, wish we were born in the Dwapara Yuga, wish we were born in the Earlier Yuga, why were we born in the Kali Yuga? Very happy that you are born in the Kali Yuga, because with Nama Sankirtanam you can go close to Guruvayurappa. Tvadiya Namakshara Matra Vaibhavat, said the Narayaniam. Tvadiya Namakshara Matra Vaibhavat. Not even the Nama, the Akshara of the Nama is enough for the Vishnu Dutas to come and save us and Krishna to take us to him. Etasmat aparam kinchit manashuddheina vidyate. One day Shukadeva was sitting talking about the Bhagavatam to Parikshit. There came Indra with a pot of Amrita, and he told Shukadeva, can I give you this Amrita from heaven? Will you give me the Bhagavata Amrita? Shukadeva says, I don't know business deals, but I know this is an unequal barter. You're asking for a very small thing. You're asking for a big thing and return giving me a small thing. You're asking for a diamond and giving me a piece of glass. Vasudha, Vakataloke, Vakacha, Manirmahan, Brahmarato Vicharyam, Tada Devan Javahasaha, Srimat Bhagavati Varta, Suranam Apidulabha. Even the gods in heaven, they don't get a chance to listen to the Bhagavatam. You are sitting in Cochin, in a beautiful atmosphere, lovely pandal. Give the organizers a big hand, please. I'm very happy to see this lovely arrangement that has been made. Usually Bhagavatam is conducted in a very ordinary fashion, but the way this has been organized shows, as the Bhagavata Mahatmya says, please make it a lovely affair. Make it a beautiful affair. Make it a celebration, because Sri Krishna himself comes when you do the Bhagavatam. What shall we do? The question asked now is, what is the reason for reading the Bhagavatam? One day, Naradji is wandering all over the world. Excuse me for saying it, but most of the mythological representations in the video of Narada are wrong. Everybody thinks that Narada is a joker. Narada is a buffoon. Narada is an entertainer. Sorry, he is not that. Akhanda Ji Maharaj says, Nara Sambandha, Narayana Sambandha Gyan dene wale ko Narad kehte hain. He who gives us Nara Narayana Sambandha Gyana, he is called Narada. He is a Brahma Gyani. He is a great man. When Naradji meets Vyasa, the Bhagavata is going to come. When Naradji meets Valmiki, the Valmiki Ramayana is going to be written. So Naradji is a creative catalyst. He is the one who can make anybody write a great work. This great Narada one day is wandering in the world. He comes across one young lady who is weeping. He asks her, who are you? Aham bhaktiriti khyata imau me tanayo matau jnana vairagya namano kala yogena jarjarau. My name is Bhakti. And who are these two old people? They are not old people, sir. They are Jnana and Vairagya concepts. Bhakti has become young, but her two sons, Jnana and Vairagya, have become prematurely old and senile. So she is being asked, how did this happen? Bhakti says, when I went to Vrindavan, I became young. But Jnana and Vairagya have not become rejuvenated. They have not become young. Anybody who goes to Vrindavan sings and dances. The moment you go to Vrindavan, you feel like dancing, because the Lord danced. Even today, there is a place called Nidhiban, where all the creepers, instead of going up, are going down. They are the rishis who want to touch the dust of the feet of Radha and Krishna, my dear listeners. That is why all the creepers are bending down. Even today, after 5 o'clock, the gates are closed, because every night, Shri Krishna and Mother Radha dance the whole night. The whole night they dance. There's a place called Seva Kunj in Vrindavan, where the priest closes the door. He has made a beautiful bed for Radha and Krishna, Ekanta Seva, and he has departed. Next morning when you open, flowers are scattered, bangles are scattered, kumkum and haldi are scattered. You know Krishna and Radha have played there for our sake, and that is why the Lord has put the kumkum on her forehead. The Lord presses the feet of Mother Radha there, because she has danced with him whole night. This is Vrindavan. This is the palpable presence of Krishna in Vrindavan. Anybody who goes to Vrindavan gets his bhakti rejuvenated. Vrindavanam punaprapya navineva surupini. I became young. But my children, Jnana and Vairagya, they are not improving. What shall we do for them? Naradji may ask her, Purva Paksha, how do you have so much confidence in me? When do you go to a particular doctor? When you know he has cured some patients. When do you go to a particular teacher? When you know his students pass well. When do you go to Mahatma? When you know he has performed miracles. She is asking Naradji, I know about you, Swami. I know. What do you know about me? What do you know about me, Bhakti? Jayati jagati mayam yasya kayadhavaste vachan rachanamekam kevalam chakalaiya dhruvapadam apiyato yat kripato dhruvoyam sakala kushala patram brahmaputram natasmi. I have 2 children and you have saved 2 children. Generally, when you ask children to come for the Bhagavata Satram, they'll say when we are 60 we will come. As if the Lord is running a senior citizens home. The Lord is not a post-retirement occupation. Bhagwan Vruddhashram charara hai kya? Very sad. Our children think you have to go to the Lord only after 60. They don't know that life is full of contingencies. Education cannot give us the power and strength which bhakti can give. That is why you have Pejavar Swami talking of bhakti. Please remember, bhakti means Shakti. Don't forget that. Bhakti is not mere Chandan and Tilaka. Bhakti means Shakti. Bhakti gives you a great strength. The little child about whom she is talking is Prahlada. Prahlada I call a single member opposition party. I call him single member opposition party against an anti-Narayana government. He is battling against it. Again and again his father tortures him. Again and again he comes out of the torture. Nothing can kill him. In the Narayaniyam, you have the father asking him, what is your power, little child? I throw you from a cliff, you don't die. I give you poison, you digest. I send elephants to trample you, they don't. I send serpents to sting you, they don't. What is your power? The child says very simple. Pita shunvan bala prakaramagilam tvattudiparam rushanda prahainam kulahataka kaste balamiti balam me vaikuntaha tavacha jagatam chapi sabalam sayeva trailokyam sakalamiti dhiroyam magadit. Look at the word dhira. All of us are cowards. The slightest tragedy and we collapse. Like Arjuna on the battlefield. Oh, my bow is clipping, my head is reeling, I am perspiring, my knees are tottering. The Lord says, yes, yes, let all this happen. Only when all this happens, you'll say, Guru Ayyappa, protect me, Krishna, protect me. We become weak, Shoka Sambhigna Manasa. Now this little child was not so, the courage of conviction. That is what made Prahlada say, Balam me Vaikuntaha. Tavacha jagatam chapi sabalam sayeva trailokyam sakalamiti dhiro yamagadit. And there says the Narayaniyam, if he is sarvavyapi, where is he? Are kvasau sakala jagadatma hariti prabhintes pastambham chalita karavalo titutaha. The huge pillar broke. Satyam vidhatum nijavritya bhashitam vyaptim cha bhuteshu akileshu jatmanah adrishyata atyadbhuta rupam udvahan tambhe sabhayam namrikam namanusham. That is the coming of the Lord. All other avatars, those of you who have been reading the Bhagavatam, whenever avatar takes place, you have the word Adbhuta. Where Narsimha Avatara takes place, it is Atyadbhuta Rupam Udvahan. It is the most wonderful thing. No child had that strength which my little Prahlada had. Master, says Bhakti to Naradji, you saved one child, giving him the mantra of Narayana right from his mother's womb, prenatal education. Today, if I tell you, German scientists say you want to make your child a mathematician, when your wife is expecting, teach her mathematics, teach her music, so the child will become a musician. You said that is research work. If I tell you Prahlada heard Narayana's glory in his mother's womb, you call it Purana. What can I do? Look at the hyper-developed country that India was. And India always has been. This is the Bhagavata telling you scientifically, particularly in the Kapilopadesha, how the child grows in the womb of the mother. No medical college teacher can explain as Kapila Muni explained to the mother in the Kapilopadesha. The Bhagavata goes on to tell us, Dhruvapadamapi yato yat kripato dhruvoyam. Prahlada was 7, Dhruva was 5. The little child Dhruva is going towards the forest. The Lord calls Naradji and says, please interview him. Naradji feels insulted. He's a small child. What can I talk to him? I call Dhruva a pre-KG child with a postgraduate wisdom. That is what he is. He's a pre-KG child with a postgraduate wisdom. Naradji says, what is your name? Uttanapada's son Dhruva, sir. Where are you going? I'm going to the forest for tapasya, sir. For whom? Narayana, sir. Have you seen Narayana? Not I, sir. How will you know Narayana? Tat vidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya upadikshanti te jnanam jnanina tattvadarshinaha. He bows down to Naradji. Naradji holds him in his hand and says, little child, yes, Swami. Go to the forest, yes, Swami. Have a bath, yes, Swami. And do meditation. I don't know meditation, Swami. I have not seen the Lord. The first video that the Lord gives in the Bhagavad Mahapurana is Naradji's description of Narayana, inimitable description. Prasadabhimukham shashvat prasannavadanekshanam tunasam subruvam sarukcharukapolam surasundaram tarunam ramaniyangam arunoshchekshanadharam pranatashrayanam drimnam sharanyam karunarnavam trivatsangam dhanashyamam purusham manamalinam shankachakra padmaihi abhivyakta chaturbhujam kiritinam kundalinam keyuravalayamvitam kaustubhabharanagrimam pitakausheya kanchikalavavaryastam lasatkanchananupuram darshaniytamam shantam manonayanavardhanam padbhyam nakhavanishreenya vilasadbhyam samarchatam ritpadmakarnigadishnyam akramya atmaniyavasthitam smayamanam abhidyayet sanuragavalokanam evam bhagavato rupam subhadram dhyayato manah nirvritya paraya turnam sampannam na nivartate japyascha paramo guhyah shruyatam me nripatmaja yam saptaratram prapatan puman pashyati kechanan.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Think of the Urdu Tilaka, think of the lovely eyes, think of the symmetrical ears, think of the burnished earrings, think of the shapely nose, the lovely lip, and the smiling cheeks, and the shapely chin, and the Vishala Vakshasthala, Srivatsa and Kaustubha and Vanamala and the two Pitambara. Think of the Shankha Chakra Gada Padma. Think of the Lord's bright nails. Think of the anklets. Think of the rings. And the Lord will besiege your heart. Akramya Atmani Avasthitam Smayamanam Abhidhyayet. When you think of Guruvayurappa, always a smiling Guruvayurappa. Only then you will be benefited by it. Srimad Bhagavata Mahatmya says, Swami, Narada, you saved little child Prahlada and the little child Dhruva. Save me also. All of us have problems, my dear listeners, devoted listeners. Who doesn't have a problem? For 50 years I have been preaching, and everyone who comes to me has a problem. There is no one who says, I don't have a problem. But if you have a problem, don't go to people with problems. They will give their problems to you and you will come back with 2 problems. Please don't talk to people who have problems. Go to Mahatmas. Go to those people who can solve your problems. Vritha khedayase bale aho chintatura katham Shri Krishna charanam bhojam smara dukkham gamishyati. When you say Guruvayurappa, Narayana, Govinda, the dukkha is gone. That is why I say depression is God obliteration. The moment you forget the Lord, depression comes in. The moment you remember the Lord, depression goes out. Dukkham gamishyati. There is no doubt. The moment you remember Guruvayurappa, for that you need satsanga. Satsangatve nisangatvam.
Satsangatve nisangatvam.
Nisangatve nirmohatvam.
Nisangatve nirmohatvam.
Nirmohatve nischalitatvam.
Nirmohatve nischalitatvam.
Nischalitatve jivanmukti.
Nischalitatve jivanmukti.
Bhaja Govindam, Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Moolamate.
Govindam Bhaja Govindam, Govindam Bhaja Moolamate.
Samprapte sannihite kale nahi nahi rakshati. Dukring Karane. Go to those people who will rejuvenate your faith. Don't meet negative people. Vritha khedaya se bale aho chinta tura katham Shri Krishna charanam bhojam smara dukkham gamishyati. After saying this, Naradji gives her two examples. Draupadi cha paritrata yena kaurava kashvat palita gopasundarya sa Krishna kvapino gataha. There are two examples he gives. She gave two examples of the children and he gives two examples of women. Bhakti is akaranta strilinga. So she is a woman. We have two women saved by the Lord. Draupadi cha paritrata. Whatever you may talk about the great epic Mahabharata, one scene is terrible to watch. It's a stigma. It's a stigma on that dynasty of the Kurus when thousands of good people are sitting. Bhishma, Drona and Kripa are silent and Vidura cannot speak a word. And there you have in the center of the hall the empress of that great country about to be disrobed in public. It was not a nightclub, it was not a cabaret. It was a court of justice where she said, this is not a sabha. If this was happening here, it means this is not a sabha. A sabha must have good people. Bhari sabha mein Krishna pukare, koi na usko bachaye. Bhari sabha mein Krishna pukare, koi na usko bachaye. Ye kaisa dharma hai.
ये कैसा धर्म है
ये कैसा धर्म है, ये कैसा न्याय है। दुशासन है देवर उसका द्रौपदी भाभी कहलाए। देवर भाभी के वस्त्र जो खींचे कोई उसे रोक न पाए। ये कैसा धर्म है, ये कैसा न्याय है, ये कैसा धर्म है, ये कैसा न्याय है। भी बोल न पाए। विदुर विकर्ण तो बोलते लेकिन बेबस वो कहलाए। ये कैसा धर्म है, ये कैसा न्याय है, ये कैसा धर्म है, ये कैसा न्याय है। She's crying out, हाँ कृष्ण द्वारका वासिन वासी यादव नंदना इमामवस्थां संप्राप्तां अनाथां किमुपेक्षसे. Those who have read the Mahabharata know. She finds there is nobody to help her. Not even her 5 stalwart husbands. The king is blind. The queen is blindfolded. Who will come to her rescue? Ha Krishna Dwarakavasin. How did she remember it? Vyasa has said, Mahatyapati Samprapte Smartavyo Bhagavan Harihi. Smartavyo Bhagavan Harihi. Man's extremity is God's opportunity, said William James. Artha, Vishanna, Shitilacha, Vita, Gore, Shitavyadhishu, Vartamana. The moment you have a problem, you think of the Lord. Only then you say Guru Vairappa. Only then you say Govinda. Here she says, Ha Krishna Dwaraka Vasin. Read between the lines. Shri Krishna, Guru Vairappa is sitting with Rukmini. And my master's voice, my master's throat is choked. She looks at him and says, Swami Krishna, what is wrong with you, Guru Vairappa? What is wrong with you? He says, my devotee, Draupadi, is scolding me. No, Krishna, she's praising you. No, she's saying, Dwaraka Vasin. Ha Krishna Dwaraka Vasin. Kwasi Yadava Nandana. Imam Avastam Sampraptam Anatham Kimupekshase. She's calling him Dwaraka Vasin. What does it mean? You are not what the Vishnu Sahasranama calls you. Vishwam Vishnur Vajatkaru Bhuta Bhavya Bhavat Prabhu. If you were Sarvavyapi, this would not be happening here. You are confined to the pin code of Dwaraka, Vasin. Kwasi Yadavanandana. You only know to graze cattle. Maadu mekkadan theriyu unakku. You don't know how to manage the world. गाय चराने वाले दुनिया चलाना नहीं आता रे तुझको. क्वासी यादवनंदना इमाम अवस्थाम संप्राप्ताम अनाथाम किमुपेक्षसे. Why do you neglect me? Why don't you come and help me? You wear all the jewelry, pitambara paridhana, lasat kanchana nupura. You have all the jewelry and you have all the lovely pitambaras, and here I am about to be disrobed. She cries out in pain. My dear devout listeners, there is nobody who will help us except Guru Ayyappa Krishna. Please remember that. Only he can help. Because he is the only one who is Swarat, Janmadhyasya Yaton Vayat, Chathis Pavigna Swarat. He is Swarat, Svena Rajate, it is Swarat. There is nobody above him. Please remember that. Go to him directly. Don't go to anybody indirectly. She is calling out, just as Draupadi called out, and Shri Krishna came to save her. You will be saved, Bhakti. Who are the second? The second example. Palita Gopasundarya Sa Krishna Kwapino Gataha. Who can forget the gopis of Vrindavan? Naradji wrote a beautiful book called Narada Bhakti Sutra. And in the Narada Bhakti Sutra, he is asked to define what is bhakti. Parama Prema Rupa, Parama Prema Rupa, Parama Prema Rupa, Parama Prema Rupa. That love for the Supreme is called bhakti. No, that supreme love for the Supreme is called bhakti. Parama Prema Rupa. Paramatma ke liye jo param prem hai, usko bhakti kehte hain. We also love him. On Monday we remember Guru Ayyappa. After the share market problem and recession, you say, I don't want to go to Guruvayur. I don't want to go to Tirupati. Because we are fluctuating in our faith. We are vacillating in our faith. We are changeable in our faith. That is not the way the gopis were. Who are the exemplars of bhakti? Who is the best bhakta according to Naradji? Kings, queens, scholars, sages? No. Yatha Vrajagopikanam, Yatha Vrajagopikanam, Yatha Vrajagopikanam, Yatha Vrajagopikanam, Yatha Vrajagopikanam, Yatha Vrajagopikanam. What the Lord said in the Gita. Yat karoshi yadashnasi yadjuhoshi tadasi yat tapasyasi kaunteya tat purushva madarpanam. It was a God-centered life. That is what the gopis led. But one day, like most of us who are sattvic, sometimes we become heady. Sometimes we become proud. When you go to Guruvayur and you have very good darshan, you tell everybody, every time I go to Guruvayur, I have good darshan. Don't worry. Next time you'll have to stand in the queue right from the bazaar itself, and it will take 4 hours to reach the Lord. In between there will be a Shuddhi also, so you'll be further delayed. Don't worry. Once you become proud of yourself, the Lord knows how to get rid of your sattvic pride. The gopis of Vrindavan were called by the Lord on the night of the Rasa Leela. Who can forget the Rasa Krida? 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 5 chapters of the Dashamaskanda are called Rasopanishad, Rasa Panchadhyayi. Raso Vaisaham. If I give you 10 cups of payasam, you will hate me and payasam. But if I give you 10 times the Bhagavatam, you will ask, when is the 11th Bhagavatam? Please remember. Dine, Dine, Navam, Navam. Nobody can say enough to Guru Ayyappa. Nobody can say enough to Krishna Katha. Because Krishna Katha is Swadu, Swadu, Pade, Pade. One day, when the Bhagavata Rasalila opens, we know that the Lord is going to call the gopis. Bhagavana Pitaratri, Sharadot Pulla Mallika, Viksh, Rantum, Manaschakre, Yoga Mayam Upashritaha. He decided, Parikshit, he decided who? Not Nand Baba's son, not Yashoda's son, not Vasudeva's son, not Devaki's son, not the cowherd boy of Vrindavan, Bhagavan Api. He is the master of the world, and the master of the world has decided to come down to play the Rasalila with the gopis. Bhagavan api, he had to choose the night. Taratri Sharadot Mallika. You and I have to decorate the stage. But when Krishna wants to dance, the whole world decorates itself. Prakriti decorates itself. Nature decorates herself. Sharadot Mallika. All the jasmines were blooming and the fragrance filled the air. Natural fragrance. Today you have to use air fresheners. The whole place was full of fragrance. Sharadot Mallika. When the Lord saw this beautiful atmosphere, he blew on the flute. I used the word Gmail before the Gmail came into being. God's mail. He has to call each one of you. Please don't think you have come here because you saw the posters. You came because Krishna called you. Clap for yourself. Guru Ayyappa called you. Guru Ayyappa called each one of you. Here, Gmail. And when he called, how did he call? He had the beautiful flute in his hand, which becomes a medium for calling Jivatmas. Bhagavan Apitaratri Sharadotpulla Mallika Biksharantum Manachakre Yogamayam Upashritaha. The gopis heard the call of the flute. When the flute calls, you come irresistibly like iron filings to the magnet. That is how they came. Nishamya Geetam Tadanangavardhanam Vrajastriya Krishna Grihita Manasa Ajagmuranyurnya Malakshitodyama Sayatra Kanto Javalola Kundala Sayatra Kanto Javalola Kundala. When beautiful women are running towards the Lord, naturally their jumkis are dancing, dangling. Long earrings if you wear, Javalola Kundala. Who wants a video of the Bhagavatam? Shukadeva's Bhagavata is a video for you. Please remember. As you read, you can see the gopis running. Nishamya Geetam Tadanangavardhanam. It created bhakti in them. And what did the Lord do? Krishna Grihita Manasa. The Lord took away their mind. The mind is the seat of passion. Please listen carefully. Many people read the Rasalila without understanding it. Vivekananda said, if you're not mature enough to read the Rasalila, don't read it because you're likely to misread it. Supposed to be a great man from London writes a book on Hinduism which is wrong, which was sold in several copies. He writes, your Hindu god dancing with other men's wives on moonlit nights. God bless him. He has never read the Bhagavatam. God bless him. He did not know the Bhagavatam. Please remember, the Lord took away the minds of the gopis to make the kama into prema. That was the difference. When the Lord takes away the mind, Guru Ayyappa takes away the mind, please remember the Lord does not want anything from us. The master of the world is Ishvara, Yogeshvara, Mahayogeshvara, Mahayogeshwareshvara. One day, Cupid challenged Krishna, Guru Ayyappa, and said, I want to defeat you. Krishna said, you can't. Oh, I have defeated even Vishwamitra. I can defeat you. The Lord said, no. Let's have a challenge. On moonlit nights, on the banks of the Yamuna, when beautiful women will be dancing with me, I'll be Ishvara, I'll be Yogeshvara, I'll be Mahayogeshvara, I'll be Mahayogeshwareshvara. Which means you cannot affect me, Cupid. Kama, you cannot affect me. The Lord now is facing this particular trial by Cupid, Manmatha. Manmatha is one who causes a problem in your mind. When you fall in love, you don't know whether it's Monday or Tuesday. You don't know whether it's sunrise or sunset. That is what happens when you're in love. That is why you're affected by Manmatha. But Manmatha cannot affect Lord Krishna because he is Manmatha. He is the one who causes disturbance in the mind of Manmatha himself. That Lord now is standing before the gopis and all of them come running. All of us know the Bhagavata describes it. Narayaniam describes it. What did the gopis do? One took the earring and made it the nose ring, and one took the nose ring and made it the earring. One took the bangle and made it the anklet, and one took the anklet and made it the bracelet. One took the necklace and made it the girdle, and one took the girdle and made it the necklace. One took the lower garment and put it above, and one took the upper garment and wore it below. And yet Guru Vairappa, they looked beautiful because a beautiful order of bhakti was reigning. They did not know what they were doing. They took the collyrium and made it a tilakam. They took the kumkumam and put it on their eyes. They did not know Guru Vairappa. And when they came, the Lord said, I didn't call you. The Lord is testing them. Third round of interview before you get a job. Your heart is beating fast. Boss may say yes, boss may say go. And that is how the Jivatma stands before the Paramatma. Will he accept? Will he say rejected or will he say accepted? That's how the gopis are standing. They say, no Krishna, our feet will not go home. How will our hands go and work? The Lord says, touch me. The Lord is only 7 years old, please remember. In the Rasa Leela, the Lord is only 7 years old. Don't misinterpret the Rasa Leela, even with stupid books are written on them. Please, the Rasa Leela is a very holy part of the Bhagavata, and do not misinterpret it. If you are not prepared for it, as Vivekananda Swami said, don't read it. The gopis say Krishna, and the Lord says, touch me. If you are allowed to do Aarti, if you are allowed to do Puja, don't become proud. The Lord is testing you. This is Sattvika Ahankara. Somewhere Sattvika Ahankara entered our life. The Lord said touch, and the gopis touched the Lord. They became proud. Tasam tat saubhagamadam vikshamanam cha keshavaha prashamaya prasadaya tatraiva antaradhiyata. Guru Vairappa doesn't reside in the heart which has pride. Pride and God are mutually exclusive. Where there is pride, there is no Guru Vairappa. Where there is Guru Vairappa, there is no pride. Adveshta sarva bhutanam maitra karuna evacha nirmamo nirahankara samadukha sukhakshami. The gopis of Vrindavan felt proud and the Lord disappeared. They began to cry. They began to cry, where is Krishna? Where is Krishna? Where is Guru Vairappa? We found him now and we lost him now. Bago mein dhunda, bagiche mein dhunda. Bago mein dhunda, bagiche mein dhunda. Bago mein dhunda, bagiche mein dhunda. Bata do Bihari, kahan ho, kahan ho. Bata do Bihari, kahan ho, kahan ho. Bago mein dhunda, bagiche mein dhunda. Bago
mein dhunda, bagiche mein dhunda.
Bata do Bihari, kahan ho, kahan ho. They asked Mother Tulsi, Kvachit Tulsi Kalyani, Govinda Charana Priye. You are always humble. We became proud and we lost Krishna. Where is your Krishna, Tulsi? Where is your Krishna? They searched and searched and searched for the Lord and found one gopi sitting there and weeping. They asked her who she is. My master used to say, everybody needs a guru. The gopis need Radha. And the Vrindavan famous song says, Jamna kinare meru gaon, savare aajayo. Jamna kinare meru gaon, savare aajayo. Radha Kishori meru naam, savare aajayo. Jamna kinare meru gaon. Krishnena aradhyate iti Radha. Krishnam samaradhayati sadeti radhikam. She worships Krishna and he worships her. One day, Brahma Vaivarta Purana says, because the name Radha is not there in the Bhagavatam. If you use the letter Ra, the great Brahmagyani called Shukadeva will go into Samadhi and he won't have Bhagavatam itself. That is why he says one gopi, one gopi. And who is this gopi? Shri Krishna in the Brahma Vaivarta Purana says, wanted to do Aradhana of himself. So he became two, Aradhya and Aradhika. Aradhika is Radhika. Krishna and Radha are one and the same. That is how Mother Radha becomes an ideal of bhakti. Srimad Bhagavata says, together, the gopis and Radha sing the Gopika Geetam. Jayati Tedhikam Krishna Janmana Vraja Shrayata Indira Krishna Shashwatatrahi त्वयि धृतासव Krishna Tvam vichitvate. We know who you are, Krishna. Our bodies are searching for the soul called you. There in heaven, you have Lakshmi as an Aradhya. Here she is Aradhika. She comes to serve the bhaktas of the Lord. Nakhalu Gopika Krishna Nandano Bhavan Akhila Dehinam Krishna Antaratmadrit. You are not the child of the Yadavas. You are the Lord of the world, Guru Vairappa, who has come to set right the moral imbalance. We know who you are, Krishna. We know who you are. And then they cry out. When they cry out, Patisutan Vaya Krishna Bhratrubandhavan Ativilangyate Krishna Antyachyuta Agata Gatividastavot Krishna Gita Mohita Kittavayoshita Krishna Kastyajenishi. How can you abandon us, Krishna? We have left everything behind. We have nobody but you in the world. This is called Ananya Gatitva. It is called Ananya Gatitva in Sharanagati. And when they cried out, Iti Gopyaha Pragayantyaha Pradapantyachya Chitrada Ruduhu Suswaram Rajan. How many brothers are sitting here? If I ask them about their wives crying, any woman cries, what does the husband say? You cry so musically, please cry more. Every husband says, stop crying. For God's sake, stop crying. But when Kururama cries, it becomes a song. When Mirabai cries, it becomes a bhajan. When Janabai cries, it becomes an abhang. When the gopis cry, it becomes Gopika Geetam. Please remember, that is how. That is how. Suswaram Rajan, Krishna Darshana Lalasaha, Tasam Avirbhut Shauri Smayamana Mukhapujaha, Pitambaradarastragvi Sakshan Manmataha. Only your Bhattadri in Guruvayur could describe what Manmatha is. Kesha Pasha Drita Pinchika Vidati Sanchalan Makara Kundalam Harajala Malika Lalitam Angaraga Ghana Saurabham Pita Chela Drita Kanchi Kanchita Mudanchadam Shumani Nupuram Rasa Keli Paribhushitam Tavahi Rupamisha Kalayamahe. Who said Sanskrit is a dead language, my dear listener? Who said it's a dead language? I don't say Bhattadri chose words. Words chose Bhattadri. Please remember that. Words chose Bhattadri. Each word said, use me. That is how this great work, Narayaniam, came to be written. When the gopis were enlightened by the Lord in the Rasa Leela, just as they were saved by the Lord, don't worry, Bhakti, your children will also be saved. Naraji tried his best. He could not succeed, and there came a voice from above. Don't worry, you'll find a method, you'll find a remedy for Jnana and Vairagya to wake up. The Sanat Kumaras are met by Naradji, their brothers, and they tell him, Jnana Vairagya Samyukta Bhakti Prema Rasavaha Pratigeham Pratijanam Tata Kridam Karishyati. In every house you have bhajan today. In every house you have Bhagavatam today. In every house you have Narayaniam today. This was the prophecy made by the Sanat Kumaras millions of years back, that there will be bhakti in every house. Jnana Vairagya Samyukta. My master Akhandanji Maharaj used to say, some works give you jnana, some give you bhakti, and some give you vairagya. Where the Bhagavatam is concerned, bhakti jnana viraganam thapanaya prakashitam. All the three are available. That is why even Grahastha listened to the Bhagavata and a Sannyasin listened to the Bhagavata. Then we come to know, those who don't listen to the Bhagavata will realize that the gods in heaven are cursing them. When Bhagavatam is told to Bhakti, Jnana and Vairagya become enlivened. Mother and children are dancing. Bhakti sutau tau tarunau grihitva premaika rupa tahasa virasit Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare Natheti namani muhurvadanti Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare Natheti namani muhurvadanti Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare Natheti namani muhurvadanti Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murare Bhakti comes out with with a very strange declaration. Who are the rich people of the world? Ask children, they'll say Bill Gates and Warren Buffett. No, they are not the rich people. The rich people of the world are those who do the Harikatha, the Bhagavata. They are the rich people. Sakala bhuvana madhye nirdhanat tepi dhanya nivasatirdiesham Shri Harer Bhakti Rekha Harirapirijalokam Sarvathato Vihaya Pravishatirtitesham Bhakti Sutropanadaha. Tied by the Sutra of Bhakti. Pejarman Swami was mentioning that Bhakti Sutra only. Bhakti Sutropanadaham. Bhakti is the lovely silken thread that ties Guru Vairappa from heaven and brings him to the Bhakta. In the 4th and the 5th chapters, we have the history of Atmadeva. All of you know this history of Atmadeva, who had everything but no children, and so he went to the forest to commit suicide. A yati told him, "You won't have children for 7 births." He said, "No, Swami, give me some phala." One beautiful prasada was given to him as a symbol of fertility. His wife would not eat it. They gave it to a sattvic jiva called a cow, and the cow gave birth to a sattvic jiva who was called Gokarna. The wife's sister had a baby, and she said, my baby died, and perforce she let the world believe that her sister had given birth to it. And now Atmadeva was bringing up his sister-in-law's son, who was not good. And when the child grew up, he gave a lot of problem to his mother and father. My dear listeners, we run an old age home in our ashram in Sri Perambatoor. And I know what it is to be old and helpless. And who are the people who are in the old age home? Those who have children. Matradevo bhava, Pitradevo bhava, Acharya Devo bhava. Many of you may be very modern. Many of you may disagree with your parents, but don't disrespect your parents. Look after them till the end. It is the duty of every human being to look after the parent till the end. Poor Atmadeva was ill-treated by his son, and he went away to the forest. As Gokarna said, go and pray to the Lord. This is the time for you to dharmam bhajasva satatam tyaja loka dharman. And that man is gone to the forest. His wife, Dhunduli, is again troubled by the son. All of us know bad children always torture their mother and take away whatever wealth she has. And this happened to Dhunduli. Poor Dhundukari also could not live in peace. He had 5 women of ill repute, our 5 panchendriyas, kalushita panchendriyas, vitiated sense organs, which take us away in different directions. And finally he has a ghastly death. And because of the ghastly death, he has a ghostly appearance. He becomes a bhuta and is wandering all over. When Gokarna sees his form, he says, "Who are you?" He says, "Aham bharata tvadiyosmi dhundukariti namataha." I am your brother Dhundukari. "No, you can't be Dhundukari. I have performed all your rituals." "No, sir, no. I have committed so many crimes. I have committed so many wrongs that even the Prayaga and Gaya Shraddha have not absolved me. Find a way." Gokarna looks at the gods in heaven and with the solar energy realizes that Bhagavata is the only way to appease the gods, only way to absolve the sins of a dead person. And the Bhagavata is performed. When the Bhagavata is performed, a 7-joint bamboo is placed in the katha. After every day's katha, 1 joint gives way. On the 7th day, the soul of Dhundukari is released from the bamboo. That is why the Bhagavata says, please remember your parents on the Shraddha day. Please offer some dana on that day. That which is done with Shraddha is called Shraddha. At least that day don't eat non-vegetarian. At least that day don't drink. At least that day don't go to the club. At least that day don't have any secular activity. Go to Guru Vairappa's temple, some temple. Do some dana, read the Narayaniyam. At least sit and do Hare Rama, Hare Krishna Japa. That you can do. Akhyanametat paramam pavitram shrutam sakritvai vidahet adhaugam shraddhe prayuktam pitratriptimavahet nityam supatat apunarbhavam cha. He who listened to the history of Gokarna, who performed a Bhagavata for himself, and Lord Guru Vairappa himself came and took him away. He who listened to this, particularly during Shraddha time, will be absolved of all his sins. There are 4 shlokas in the Padma Purana, which we read together whenever we do the Bhagavata. And these are the 4 which come in the last chapter of the Mahatmya, the 6th one. The first words mean, I am drowned in the samsara sagara. O Karunanidhi, please resurrect me from this life. Srimad Bhagavata is Lord Krishna himself, and I have accepted him for the sake of salvation. May my desire be fulfilled. May there be no bigness in the way. May the learned exposition of the speaker remove the darkness of my ignorance and light the lamp of wisdom. Kindly repeat these shlokas with me. Samsara sagare magnam
Sarasagare Magnam
Deenam mam
Dinamma
Karunanidhi
Karunanidhi
Karma moha
Karmamoha
Grihitangam
Gritangam
Mamuddhara
Mamuddhara
Bhavarnava
Bhavanava
Srimad
Srimad
Bhagavatakshyoyam
Bhagavatakyoyam
Pratyaksha
Pratyaksha
Krishna eva hi
Krishnaevahi
Svikrutosi
Svikrutosi
Mayanatha
Mayanatha
Muktyartham
Mutyartham
Bhavasagare
Bhavasagare
Manoratho
Manoratho
Madiyoyam
Madiyoyam
Safala
Sapada
Sarvathatvaya
Sarvatatvaya
Nirvignenaiva
Nirvigneneva
Kartavyo
Kartavyo
Dasoham
Dasoham
Tava Keshava
Tava Keshava
Shukarupa
Shukarupa
Prabodhagnya
Prabodhagnya
Sarvashastra
Sarvashastra
Visharada
Visharada
Etat Katha
Etatkatha
Prakashena
Prakashena
Madajnanam
Madajnanam
Vinashaya.
Vinashaya.
The fifth shloka we repeat in the Bhagavatam is from the Bhagavata itself. Uddhava goes to the gopis. Uddhava is an intellectual. An intellectual always feels that he is superior to everybody. He is a jnani. And the Lord wants him to learn what bhakti is. Again and again all the Mahatmas today were talking about bhakti. And the Bhagavata is about bhakti. When Uddhava goes to meet the gopis, he can't believe that there can be such a bhakti. Nobody in the world has had such a bhakti, says Bhattadri. Nobody in the world has such a bhakti, says Uddhava. When he sees them, he is shocked to find they are of Krishna, by Krishna and for Krishna. They live a life totally Krishna-centered, real God-centered life, Krishna-centered life. He is totally baffled by their bhakti. And at the end, when he meets Sri Krishna, Krishna asks him, Guru Vairappa asks him, how was your trip to Vrindavan? He says, Master, you sent me with a message or for a message. English is a language of lovely prepositions. You sent me for a message, Master. I was a jnani. I did not know the power of bhakti. I did not know what this bhakti is. When he saw the gopis, he said, you are not ordinary. Durlabha bhakti you have. This bhakti that you have is muninamapi durlabha. And what is the reason for it? Dana pratatapohum japaswadhyaya samyamaihi shreyo bihi vividaityanyi krishne bhaktirhi sadhyate. Krishna bhakti is not sporadic, not spasmodic, not impulsive, not coming on Monday, going on Friday. It is a continuous, consistent commitment to the Lord that comes because of a collective punya that you have down the ages, my dear listeners. In one birth you can't get Krishna bhakti. That is why I said this is your bank balance. Your auditor will tell you your financial bank balance. I am telling you your spiritual bank balance. You are the ones who are really blessed because you are listening to the Bhagavatam. Come in large numbers to listen to the Bhagavatam because Uddhava goes back to Krishna and says, I don't bow down to Vrindavan, I don't bow down to the gopis, I don't bow down to the feet of the gopis, I bow down to the dust of the feet of the gopis of Vrindavan, Krishna. Vande Nanda Vrajastrinam, Vande Nanda Vrajastrinam, Padarenum Abhikshnashaha, Padarenum Abhikshnashaha, Yasam Harikathot Geetam, Harikathot Punati Bhuvanatrayam. This is the dust of Vrindavan. Ye dhul vraj ki dhul, dhul vraj ki dhul, maaf karti hai manav ki bhool, maaf
करती है मानव की भूल
ye dhul vraj ki dhul. स्त्रीणां पादरेणुम् अभिक्षशः यासां हरिकथोत्गीतम् पुनातिमनत्रयम्. While this discussion was going on, Naradji says, I am dhanya that I have learned the history of the Bhagavata, the Mahatmya of the Bhagavata. And Suta Mahamuni says, there came Shukadeva, Tatrayayu Shodashamarshikattada, Vyasatmajo Jnanamahadrichandrama, Kathavasani Nijalabhapurnaha, Premna Pathan Bhagavatam Shanai Shanaihi. Every word in the Bhagavata or the Mahatmya is a lesson to me. All of us do puja path. All of us read the Vishnu Sahasranamam, we read Gita, we read Narayaniam, but so fast, I don't know what is wrong with us. Or in some sing-song voice, Dharma Kshetre Guru Kshetre Samavetayu Utsava Mamaga Pandava Chaiva Kiva Kurvata Sanjaya. Neither Sanjaya understands, nor Dhritarashtra understands, nor Hanumanji in the banner understands. Please put life into life. Over a cricket century, you are jumping in your chair. Why can't you jump for my Lord? Why can't you dance for Guru Vairappa? Why can't you put life into life? Please read the scriptures slowly. How fast we read the Vishnu Sahasranam. How fast we read the Lalita Sahasranam. How fast we read the Hanuman Chalisa. Please don't. Please don't. Shanai Shanaihi Premna Patan Bhagavatam Shanai Shanaihi. When a young Shukadeva walks in, even the elders stand up because he is Jnanavruddha. Drishtva sadasya paramuru tejasam sadyastamutthaya ladurmahasanam pritya surashihitam apujayat sukam tito avadatsam shutamalamginam. This is the pure voice, pure word that he is going to speak, and that is the Bhagavatam. Everybody stands up. Shukadeva also had an orchestra. You know who? Prakhladji and Uddhavji were playing the small cymbal and the large cymbal. Veena was being played by Naradji, and Arjuna was doing Raga Lapa. Indra was playing on the Mridangam. The Sarat Kumaras were saying Jai Ho, Jai Ho. And you had Shukadeva standing in the middle along with his orchestra singing Prakhladastaladhari Taralagatitaya Chodhava Kansyadhari Veena-dhari Surashihi Swarakushalataya Ragakarta Arjuno Abhut Indro Avadit Mridangam Jaya Jaya Sukara Kirtane Te Kumara Yatragre Bhavavakta. Please remember that Bhagavata is Bhava Pradhana. Unless you put life into the Bhagavata, nobody will listen. Everybody must experience the Bhagavata to make the listener experience the Bhagavata. Please remember that. Yatragre bhavavakta sarasarachanaya vyasaputro babhuva. Here comes to an end the Bhagavata Mahatmya, which says, we bow down to that Krishna, we bow down to that Lord, Asare Samsare. In this Asara Samsara, which is sometimes so insipid, so tasteless, Shanardham Kshemartham Pibata Shukagatha Atula Sudham. This unparalleled, unimitated ambrosia called Bhagavata. Please drink a little, even Kshanardham Kshemartham, for the good of mankind, for the welfare of mankind. Listen to the Bhagavatam. Yatha Shakti, Yathamati, I place the Bhagavata Mahatmya before you. Some of the audience here want to listen to the Rasalila song, which I generally sing when I do the Rasalila. I asked Shri Krishna, give me a song on the Rasalila, and this came to me. When Krishna began to play on the flute, the gopis gathered round. The choreographer called Bilva Mangala says, Krishna, Gopi, Krishna, Gopi, Krishna, Gopi, Krishna, Gopi. Anganam, Anganam, Chantarena Madhavo, Madhavam, Madhavam, Chantarena Angana, Ittama Kalpite, Mandale, Madhyagaha, Sanjagau, Vemna, Devaki, Nandanaha. You can also dance if you want. Dhiranna, 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 Nache Gopikana. Dhiranna, 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 Nache Gopikana. Nache Dharti, Nache
धरती नाचे अंबर नाचे पवन नाचे
सागर
नाचे सारी दुनिया नाचे गोपी कान्हा धीरना 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 नाचे गोपी कान्हा धीरना 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 नाचे गोपी कान्हा.
When small child is dancing, elders won't dance because they're self-conscious. कान्हा की जो मुरली बाजे, राधा की पायल बाजे, वाणी की वीणा भी बाजे, नंदी का मृदंग बाजे.
कान्हा की जो मुरली बाजे राधा की पायल बाजे वाणी की वीणा भी बाजे नंदी का मृदंग
बाजे. धीरन्ना 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 नाचे गोपी कान्हा. धीरन्ना धीरन्ना धीरन्ना
नाचे गोपी
कान्हा. नाचे धरती नाचे अंबर नाचे पवन नाचे सागर नाचे
धरती नाचे अंबर नाचे पवन नाचे
सागर
नाचे सारी दुनिया नाचे गोपी कान्हा.
धीरन्ना धीरन्ना धीरन्ना
नाचे गोपी कान्हा धीरना धीरना नाचे गोपी कान्हा.
कोई कहे नाचे कृष्ण कोई कहे नाचे राधा. जो भी कहे यही समझो कट गई कर्म बाधा.
कोई कहे नाचे कृष्ण कोई कहे नाचे राधा जो भी कहे यही समझो कट गई कर्म बाधा.
धीरन्ना धीरन्ना धीरन्ना
नाचे गोपी कान्हा धीरना 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 नाचे गोपी कान्हा.
नाचे धरती नाचे अंबर नाचे पवन नाचे सागर
नाचे धरती नाचे अंबर नाचे पवन नाचे सागर नाचे सारी दुनिया
नाचे गोपी कान्हा.
धीरना धीरना
धीरन्ना नाचे
गोपी कान्हा धीरना 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 नाचे गोपी कान्हा.
Won't anybody dance? Don't you feel like dancing for the Lord? Why are you shy? At least a few people stand up and dance. आडला में स्वामी का आडला में. गाओ रास खेलो रास देखो रास सुनो रास.
गाओ रस खेलो रस देखो रस सुनो
रास जिसके मन में कृष्ण प्रेम वो
रस जिसके मन में कृष्ण प्रेम वो पाएगा रस मिला.
धीरन्ना धीरन्ना धीरन्ना
नाचे गोपी कान्हा धीरना 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 नाचे गोपी कान्हा.
नाचे धरती नाचे अंबर नाचे पवन नाचे सागर
नाचे धरती नाचे अंबर नाचे पवन नाचे सागर
नाचे सारी दुनिया नाचे गोपी कान्हा. धीरन्ना धीरन्ना धीरन्ना
नाचे गोपी कान्हा धीरना धीरना धीरना
नाचे गोपी कान्हा. Remember you're dancing with Guruvayurappa.
गोकुल में देखो रे ओ गोकुल में देखो वृंदावन में देखो रे मुरली बाजे रे श्याम संग राधा नाचे रे ओ श्याम संग राधा नाचे रे गोकुल में देखो वृंदावन में देखो रे मुरली बाजे रे श्याम संग राधा नाचे रे ओ श्याम संग राधा नाचे रे
Thank you very much.
छम छम नाचे राधा रानी छम छम नाचे राधा रानी सुन के मेरी मुरलिया छम छम नाचे राधा रानी सुन के मेरी मुरलिया शाम छवि पे सब बलिहारी शाम छवि पे सब बलिहारी ग्वाल बाल मोरी गैया सरर सरर चाले रे ओ सरर सरर चाले रे मगवी पुरवैया रे मेघा गाजे रे श्याम संग राधा नाचे रे ओ श्याम संग राधा नाचे रे गोकुल में देखो वृंदावन में देखो रे मुरली बाजे रे श्याम संग राधा नाचे रे ओ श्याम संग राधा नाचे रे चंद्र किरण सा श्याम सलोना चंद्र किरण सा श्याम सलोना दो आंखें कजरारी छम छम नाचे गोपियन के संग छम छम नाचे गोपियन के संग जग का पालन रास बिहारी संगो रास बिहारी संग राधा सुकुमारी बिरज में बिराजे रे श्याम संग राधा नाचे रे ओ श्याम संग राधा नाचे रे गोकुल में देखो वृंदावन में
Faster, faster.
शंकर जी रास को देखत मन ही मन मुस्काए। ओ शिव शंकर जी रास को देखत मन ही मन मुस्काए। ओ मन ही मन मुस्काए। ओ मन ही मन मुस्काए।
Radha is cosmic energy. We are invoking her. Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Jai Jai Shri Radhe Shyam. Clap for those who danced. Clap for my musicians. Shyam Bhai on the tabla, Hemant Bhai on the harmonium, Prakash Bhai on the flute, and Prashant Bhai on the keyboard. And Ramu, my manager, on behalf of all of us, we thank you for your hospitality. I thank the Satram committee, Dr. Krishna ji, and all their associates. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno, Yatra Partho Dhanurdaraha, Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir, Dhruva Netir Bhatir Mama. Narayana, 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 Bolo Narayana, 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 fulfill all your dharmic desires. Please bless me as long as I live. Let me carry this message of the Bhagavatam wherever I go. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno, Yatra Partho Dhanurdaraha, Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir Dhruva Netir.